Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Finally, my long-awaited day has come. In this box, we got a little gift. Well, not a gift. We bought it. And what's in here? You may ask. One new S&S Teardrop air cleaner cover and stage 1 air cleaner. I am super excited. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed on Big Bertha today. Get rid of this stock air cleaner, which if you notice here, it's got a Velcro. It's missing its little cover that fell off probably about 10,000 miles ago. Never replaced it. So we're going to figure out how this goes together and get it put on the bike. Got the air cleaner, bag of parts, and some directions. And after we get that installed, we're going to hardwire this DynoJet so it works with the RAM mount up here. That way we can do some auto tuning. We can test out these auto tune features. So let's dig on in and get started on that today. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. We do a lot of motorcycle repair, service, maintenance, stuff like that. So if you like that, check out my channel, surf around, see if there are any other videos you like. I got a Softail maintenance channel. I got a touring maintenance channel, general maintenance channel. We got MC Mondays. Check out my playlist, man. I got them all sorted out in different playlists. It's pretty cool. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, mash that thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and stopping by and checking out this video. So let's dig on in. First thing I'm going to do is prep for this. I'm going to pull this gas tank off, and then we're going to pull the air cleaner off. So let's get after the gas tank first. Vent tube out. Disconnect our 2 wires there. And one more vent tube. And everything here should be loose. Let's pull the fuel line next. I would suggest you wrap it with a rag. Push up on this collar and pull that down and out. And it will dribble a little bit. Now I would suggest removing this when you have an empty tank of gas. Don't do it right after you filled up. So this tank has probably about 30 to 40 miles left in it, so I'm anticipating about a gallon, maybe a gallon and a half tops. So shouldn't be too bad to take off. Should just be able to lift it straight up and out. Let's try it. Alright, so for this fuel box harness, I could cut the zip ties on here and run it inside of this. I think we're just going to leave that in place. And what I'm going to do, pull this cover off and run it through here and then plug it in. Now it's up in this area. So let's zip tie it to this main harness just so we know we got a nice secure location. And I think what we're going to do is bring it over here and run it up with the brake lines. I think that'll be the easiest thing to do. Tuck that in under here. Another zip tie about there. All right, bring that up to here. All right, with the fuel box wire run, let's go ahead and start taking off this air cleaner. Number 1, remove stock air cleaner cover and backplate assembly. Number 2, install breather bolts and banjo fittings into cylinder heads. 1 breather bolt with the wide washer there, like that. The open side toward, the closed side away. And then we'll put on the black washer. Chromy looking washer, stainless washer, chromy, chromy. All right, we got one side on, finger tight. Let's get the other side on. So we're gonna put the skinny washer on first with the big hole. Put that on first. This with the open end facing the cylinder. Then your next black washer. Then your stainless washer, put it in this hole. Directions say, measure and cut the breather hose that'll slide all the way onto both fittings without kinking the hose. Install breather hose on banjo fittings with spring hose clamps in picture 2. We're going to do one cut here and one cut here. Alright, just like what we used on the water pump, where you squeeze the tabs together, slide them on. Squeeze that clamp. Oop. Jump. Alright, both clamps are on. The torque wrench set to 16 foot-pounds. One goes like that. Alright. Looking good. Ready to reprogram, go for a test drive. You do need to reprogram stage 1 air cleaner, fuel modal jackpot 2 to 1 to 2, which is in essence what I have, Reinhardt slip-ons. That's 2402. Touring twin cool stage 1 air cleaner, fuel modal jackpot 2 to 1 to 2, because that's in essence what I have is 2 to 1 to 2 head pipe with Reinhardt slip-ons. I got, I don't even know what they are. Vance and Hines fish shales. But I got a 2 to 1 to 2 head pipe, so let's go with that. Select flash to send to ATM, flash, loading tune. Alright y'all, I'm going for a ride. I'll catch you on the next one. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow. Maybe we'll take it to work if it doesn't rain.